Hello, in this video we will learn how to filter pivot table smallest to largest in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple cells data. So here I'm going to insert first pivot table. To insert pivot table, first select the full data. So I simply select the one cell and press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Table option. Then click on the From Tables or Range, and here the one dialog box is open. Check here the range selection, if the range is selected properly or not. And after that, click on the New Worksheet and click on OK. And here the sheet is added. Okay. With this, you can see the right hand side pivot table fields you can add here. So I simply drag and add here the fields, product name in rows. Then add here the price in value, total amount in values. And here you can see the pivot tables is ready. I close this, and here to filter the amount smallest to largest, you have to apply the filter on this both column first. Here only showing the filter, but on this column the filter is not showing. To apply the filter, press the shortcut key Shift Ctrl L, but in pivot table filter is not applied. For that, just click on this cell, okay, outside cell, and press the Shift Ctrl L, and you can see in both column filter is applied. Okay, now you can easily filter. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the smallest to largest amount, and here you can see the pivot table is filtered by smallest to largest amount. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.